or team? The name of your team?
Ala?
Ano kaya yung team?
Doa ito!
Ano man?
Duwaira. Ano?
We are the
Ako na lang.
team Rich, Le, and Jay. Sinong RK?
Si Jay.
We are the team RK, si Jay.
Marky! Marky!
Nakapag kita dito. Okay, these are the ones, three stress busting techniques na una ko. Of course, number one, we will not forget about God. Talking to God is one of the best way to release stress, to release your problem, to talk to Him, ask your prayer, ask what you want, ask your dreams, and talk about also your problem so that makasabot hiya. Anyway, kung saan rin pahiya, saan rin pa kita mag-storya, makasabot hiya kung na natin problema. And as the highest God, parang niya, buli yung ginagawa niya. Di rin man kita nabibigyan. Two, travel to new places or nature trips. O kung makakatuhan mga bago na mga lugar, bagan magiging happy ka, naabot ka ng mga places, tapos you come to have to meditate, para hinay-hinay, makahuna-huna kayo maupay, kung yan na, crowded na mo, panhuna-huna, kung nakatukahan mga places, new places, or mga nature trips nga, ikaw lang usa, or together with the person you are comfortable with, makakahuna-huna ka kung ano, maupay buhaton, ano, makakabalance ka kung anong mga pros and cons. Sunod, talking to an old friend or loved ones. Old friends, hindi ka nagsigon nga, lagas na niya. Old friends nga, kung high school ka mo, elementary ka mo, kasi nala ka mo nakita, bagan, may ka na, makakatsak ka mga duha, may dana ka mo istoryahan, may dana experiences, na waray mo na experience, may dana experiences, na waray niya na experience, as you happen to share, ang mga ginbuhat, ang mga experiences, and all. So, that's it. Next is eating food that makes you happy.
Ikaw talaga yan eating? Talaga ba?
Uy, stress sa ako. Ambot lang no? Nakakapata ako. Watching K-dramas.
Next is...
Adi!
Next.
Yeah, the
Sabi natin lang ang katanggal ng stress at quad shot.